Hello, children. Welcome back. So, it's a story time with Margaret ma'am. So, in this story, we have two main characters, that is, ant and the grasshopper. So, now when there is ant and grasshopper, can you think what will be the name of the story? Yes, the name of the story is The Ant and the Grasshopper. Very good. So, here goes the story. It was a bright sunny day, and the happy grasshopper was hopping and singing. And he saw ants passed by. It was carrying a piece of corn to the anthill, and it looked hot and tired. Yes, can you see? The ants, they are working, they are carrying food. And this grasshopper, can you see, is nicely playing music and he's enjoying. He is not at all worried that after summer there is a winter season. And see, these ants, they are working. Then he looks to the ant and he asks, "Why don't you come and sing with me?" said the grasshopper. "Why don't you come and play with me? It's such a nice summer day." And the ant said, "I'm storing up food for the winter, and so should you. There will be nothing to eat when the snow comes." The grasshopper said, "Why think about winter now?" asked the grasshopper. "We have got plenty of food and it's summer." But the ant kept working hard. All other ants help her, worked hard too. The other ants are there, na, everybody. But see, this grasshopper, na, he is only enjoying. He is not collecting food for the winter. Finally, the winter came. The grasshopper could not find any food. He could not find any food. He was very hungry. But what do the ants are doing? He went and he saw that they were eating all the corn from the summer. Yes, see, the ants, they were working hard now. They were collecting food and now they are enjoying their food. But see, the grasshopper is not having any food. So the grasshopper learned that it was best to be prepared.